The subtitle text you typed in the monitor has strokes. How do you turn off that feature? Option A. Open the character panel and set stroke to 0. Option B. Open the properties panel and set stroke to none. Option C. Open the timeline color set and set stroke color to white. Option D. Open the properties panel and change the highlight to group 2. The correct answer is option B. Click the exhibit button. You have created a gap in your timeline. You want to fill the gap with a still image that has been imported into your project. What should you do? Image. Option A. Drag the image from the project panel and drop the image in the gap. Option B. Alt-drag the image from the project panel and drop the image in the gap. Option C. Control-drag the image from the project panel and drop the image in the gap. Option D. Select the image in the project panel, choose Edit Copy, open Timeline Viewer, choose Edit Paste. The correct answer is option D. Click the Exhibit button. Which tool in the flowchart panel is used to drag from one object in the flowchart panel to another, thereby creating a link? Image. Option A. A. Option B. B. Option C. C. Option D. D. The correct answer is option A. Click the Exhibit button. Which tool shown in the exhibit is used to change the position of an object on the flowchart panel? Image. Option A. A. Option B. B. Option C. C. Option D. D. The correct answer is option C.